Hello, future CAs. I know you all are waiting for expected questions for CA Inter Law, right? That is coming, that will come within 24 hours of this video. But I'm here to share with you something even more important than expected questions for law. I spent the last 6 hours last night fully, I did not sleep, preparing this mind your law limits just for you guys, just to make it easy before the exam. Believe me when I say this is not something I'm doing for time pass. I don't have to sacrifice a whole day's sleep for this, but I have done it, guys. Let me explain. Imagine I am asking you some questions quickly. Members should get copy of special resolution within dash days of request. What is the resolution for DVR, differential voting rights, ordinary, special, unanimous? What is the limit under section 137, circulation of FS to members for sending the notice in electronic mode mandatory for what is the limit for the companies? What is the interest rate in case of sweaty equity shares? Does sweaty equity shares even have an interest in the first of all? Does it even have interest, guys? No. Now, if I ask you questions like this, some you would have answered, some you might not have. What I have learned of me teaching law for the last 5+ years is students struggle in law in two things. One is concepts, that is taken care by us in our marathon, whichever class you went for. But the second struggle, which not many people even focus, is these things like timelines. Sir, what should I file within 7 days? What should I file within 14 days? What should I file within 30 days? When special ordinary will come? What are the limits, turnover, paid up share capital? When the company provision will come? What are the different interest rates, correct? I have been doing this religiously in our classes for a very, very long time. But for the first time, I have prepared a new material and I thought I will give it to all you students. Okay. This, I've spent so much time doing this, guys. Just look at this. Right from the time 30 minutes limit that we have in Companies Act, within 30 minutes, quorum should be there. Starting from 30, 24, 48, 72, 57, classification in ascending order of time, going to 15 days. Within 15 days, what are all the provisions, guys? Now, within 30 days, 1 month, how many are there? One full page explaining with section number reference what is the section where all 30 days will come. And then look at this, it goes for 6 weeks, it keeps going on, all the provisions of Companies Act, and then I have taken it as much as possible till permanent, 20 years, 30 years permanent. I hope you understood what we did, guys. There are roughly about 200 plus time limits for you to remember. We have reclassified this. Based on the time limit itself. And this material honestly took me close to 6 hours to prepare, and I'm giving this to you all for free, guys. Free. How do you get it? There will be Telegram group link in the description of this video. Just join the Telegram group. You will get the PDF in that group. Sir, only this, sir. Nothing else is there for us. I just now told you, it is what I showed you now is just timelines. Now I'm going to show you magic of not just timelines, resolutions, limits, Nidhi company, interest, classification based on a concept, all resolutions in one place. But before I get to that, because many of them are asking me, I'm not able to reply to all the messages. Classes are always available, guys. But now, because exams are very, very nearby, if at all you need classes, of course, I don't recommend class at this time. But we have this amazing workout batch of just 50 hours of law class, which is close to 30 hours of concepts and 20 hours of workout, solving almost 500 plus questions and full concept learning. If at all you need it till exams, it is already at 2K on website, but I'm going to give you another 50% discount on this, guys. If you just use the code EXP50, it's exclusive for students who are watching this video only. If at all you need, validate till exams if you need it, guys. Now let me go to the next limit. Sir, I'm waiting for this only, sir. Come back to this. Where and all I need ordinary resolution, where and all I need special resolution. Look at this list. Look at this list, guys. All the ordinary resolutions summarized in one page. All the special resolutions summarized in one page. Okay. all the limits of Companies Act. Look at all the CSR limit, cost audit limit. Okay, then you have this 141, all these limits summarized in one page. Okay, one place. Then all the penalties in 447, fraud in one place. And this is beautiful, guys. This is really easy to remember. Sir, where and all unanimous will come. I have put this over here. Then all the relevant forms. Not many people read forms, so let me jump to next one. Look at this. All the cases in the Companies Act where Nidhi Company will come, in all these sections Nidhi Company reference will come. Interest, we have only 12%, 15%, 18%. Different cases where 12, 15, 18 comes. I told you 12 comes for sweat equity. No, there is no interest for sweat equity. These are the only interest rates in the full syllabus, guys. That's it. And then I'm sure you all know while studying, section 92 and 137 is very important. I have summarized all the cases where 92 and 137 becomes a point in your answer. Now this is the document I have done, guys. Religiously all our students have it in the class, but I wanted to give it to you all. I thought a lot about it. I thought definitely other people will just copy this, because this is hours and hours and days or like lot of effort. Batch after batch I kept adding this. But then I thought, okay, fine, if it's going to help students, whoever is going to copy, let them copy, guys. If one student gets benefited, I'm happy about that. Where can you get this document also? This law timelines, which I just showed you, this will be a separate PDF, which you can join the Telegram group and you can get it. And this also is part of my regular law book, the full law book that I have. In the first 30 pages, I call it something called Law Rocket Notes. You can join Telegram group, or you can just go to our website, the CA Classroom, and go to free resources and go to corporate law. You will find all these over here. You don't have to change your material last minute. All this put together is just 20 pages of revising provisions with a different perspective, guys. That's about it. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments if it was helpful. If you have more ideas, sir, do like this, do like that, I will do it. This time I'm also planning to do something, depends on your response. You all know expected question is going to come. But when expected question come, I'm also going to do a marathon just for expected questions. In 3 hours, all the questions and those concepts. Let me know if you think that's going to be helpful in the comments. I will plan for that, guys. So that's about it. You got this. Go for your exams. Thank you so much.